Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Marumo Gallants 1. I'm joined by Izinja Zase State.
Well, that's Tibo.
Yeah, sure.
Ukrendi jam. Sure, Tibo. What a boring football namhlanje.
Yeah, true.
I can be mile, be thulile, ayibengenzeki nix mfethu. Uyabona after watching the MTN8 final.
Yes.
And the game yezolo.
Yes.
Ayilena mhlawumbe ithulile mfethu.
Too much.
Besibukele ngoba nakho ufeli sibukele understand. But ke phakathi kwayo na le game eporayo ke akhona ama positives aphumile yabo.
Yeah.
Yabona Sundowns izokunoka.
Sure.
Yabona ngotshani?
Yeah.
Inkhumbuzi Paris ka Riviera.
Yeah.
Izokutapeta mfethu, izokutapeta ngepole ledlutshana. You understand?
Sure.
Yabona uAlende.
Sure.
Raymond Kista.
Kinjani?
Diamond
Kinjani?
Hlala phansi.
Mr. Selula.
Khohla liya uthi liya mfethu. Mangabheka negoli lakhona yabona mfethu icombination yakhe nomkwena.
Sure.
Ayaphusha mfethu.
Itop.
Iyaphusha mfethu. Even mangabheka legoli lakhona liqale emuva from umkwena. You understand? Ladlalwa yesiphakathi but ke untwana untwana equality mfethu mali Alende.
Final touch.
You understand final touch icross leyana ilihlo lakhe mfethu ukuthi abone uRenas ukuthi because lela goal leya even if uRenas azange alithinte ushalulile beka there still kahle lele yabo it was meant to be a goal
because the ball dangerous
you understand
it
was meant to be a goal
sure.
And then coming to uLitlako njayam hayi le antwana le ayidinga game time
sure more game time yava
le antwana le izokubulala ngokuskena ngathi namehlo la bathi umbule uye ngathi unamehlo la Litlako omunye naye
angizomcheka na
Litlako omunye mfethu naye unelihlo njayam like ama pass wakhe ama turnings wakhe just we need more game time ukuze abe there you understand Ushalulile beka date.
Yeah, beka flat.
Hayi beka date vandag mfethu. Kakhulu bebayikhalela le ndaba yakho ukuthi uyahamba what but he was dead.
Akabakanga nix.
Yabona enye into engichazile vandag. Ibuyile best right back yasemzansi.
Ndisomudawo.
Ibuyile ngwenya fele for ukuthi ubuyile ku Sundowns inhliziyo ayikhuthali kahle mara for the benefit of ibafana ngimnandi njaya
injalo
makubuye yena right ngingabuka ibafana ngivala amehlo
usho
ngisho ngingabuka ngivala amehlo
uthi uselamela ukhona ukhile siba ayinja yena
ngingamoshi isikhathi nja yami Marumo Gallants hayi isiputuputu football hayi angazi lenzakalani bethu ngiyakunika kubhizi umuntu bekazama ukuthi abavuse inyana undaba yithetho
Philip
uthi Rich ungayithi vu ungayithinti bese athi
Philip Ndlondo
uRich ke lo uthi ungayithi vu hayi awuthi le njayami hayi
and inswe muna ku
mfethu ngiyakhala but ke at the end of the day beyangayitholi game time you understand and uNtshebe bekasasho ukuthi yabona ibhola lakantwana leladlala kumarumo akusileli bekadlala kuPakani this is an improved Ndlondo you understand for me he deserves ukuba man of the match
sure
na kanjani nje muzamile yena no ubani awuthi le engangaye umpambaniso
lesha iMohawk
le ngangayi
le number 10 wamajidi
yes bazamile ukuthi bayivuse enyane emarumo lapha center but Alende bekacindezela
it wasn't meant to be
ngiyayivala nje
thank you jaya well said yeah bado